Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Now in today's video, we'll be making some sweet potato baked custard. I figured to do something different for Thanksgiving dessert, and that's what's on the menu. So if you want to see this recipe, please stick around and don't forget to like, share, and comment. Let's jump right in. Okay guys, now let's take a quick look at the ingredients I'll be using. Here I have some eggs, 1 sweet potato, sweetened condensed milk, evaporated milk, heavy cream, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, and some vanilla extract. So what I did was peel my sweet potatoes, chop them into cubes, and next I will add like a pinch of cinnamon and nutmeg, as well as some sugar. Then we will wrap this up and place it in a 400-degree oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. After about 1 hour, this is what we have. It smells so amazing. All those spices and the sugar, it's just perfect. So next we will transfer this into a mixing bowl, and I'll use my hand blender and just blend it until it's nice and smooth. If you want, you can mash it. You can also use a hand mixer as well as a regular blender. So this is the texture we're going for, a smooth sweet potato puree. Next, we're going to combine the rest of our ingredients. You want to add your eggs, heavy cream, your evaporated milk, sweetened condensed milk. You want to add the spices, salt, just add everything. And we're going to add our sweet potato puree here as well. And we're going to go in with the hand blender and just blend until everything is nice and smooth. And I know some people like their desserts super sweet. So if you like your dessert super sweet, you can add some sugar to it. But I like mine subtle. I don't like it too sweet. I like it just in the middle. So this here was perfect for me. So today I'll be using a pie dish, and I did grease my dish with some butter, and I'll be baking this in a water bath. That's why I have the pan at the bottom of the dish. So now you want to strain your mixture into the dish, and we will preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to place this inside of the oven for about, the timing will vary because everybody oven cooks different, but mine took about an hour and a half. It took a very long time to bake. So you want to just preheat your oven to 350 and keep checking it to see when it's done. Once you stick a toothpick or a skewer in the middle and it comes out clean, that's how you know it's done. After about an hour and 30 minutes, the sweet potato custard is finally done. It smells amazing, but we will let it cool off a bit before digging in. And this first slice here, the first slice always gives you a hard time. So I had to be super gentle with it before it fall apart. But the texture of this custard was simply amazing. It was just melting in your mouth, and it had the perfect amount of sweetness, and all the flavors, the spices and stuff was coming right through. You could taste the sweet potato in there, which was perfect. I hope you all give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements that I used down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching, and enjoy.